I'm so tired. Hey y'all, I'm back with some new box braids. Yes. I use 6 packs of hair. This is Rastafari braid for the people, jungle green, freedom silky braid, Kanekalon, Afro. It took me forever. I have 150 or so braids in my hair. What I did is I just sectioned off, I did it myself. It took roughly like 16 hours. Cause I spent about 10 hours one day and about 6 hours the other day.
Shorty these bad jungle queens that just love bad. So many of your extra. Soft spoken, chipper and choking.
So about 16 hours to do these box braids. They are so cute though. But yeah, it took a very long time. And for what? But no, it's fine, it's cute, they're cute. They're cute. When I think of green on women, I think of like Poison Ivy and that vibe. But when I think of green on men, I think of the Joker. And I was wearing a purple lip. This is still a purple lip, only now it's like more fuchsia. But I was wearing a proper purple lip and I was like, no, this is doing too much. And I had like a yellow shirt on. So it was giving us Joaquin Phoenix Joker vibes. And I was like, no, it's not quite. Normally I don't like a middle part on me, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it for some reason with this color. It's like this, it's like a curtain washing down. Whether or not there are a lot of tutorials on a certain style on YouTube does play a major role in whether or not I decide to style my hair in that way. But I know I like just seeing how colors look on different people. As y'all know, if you've been watching my channel, I have a new apartment. My couch is green, I love it. And so I was like, let me just have a hairstyle that matches my home. If you live in LA, I do hair. Do I do hair? I used to do hair when I lived in the DC area, but I haven't had any. I haven't like actually tried to get hair clients here in LA, but my impression is that it's kind of tough to find good hair braiders, and I think I'm pretty good. So go ahead and slide into my DMs if you want your hair done. That's it. That's all I want to talk to you about. Go ahead and give the video a like if you liked it. Subscribe to see more. I had a friend tell me I had a sultry voice. I'm like, ooh, let me put some sultry into this. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe if you haven't already. Why haven't you? I like seeing you around. I want you here. I like it when you show up. I like knowing that you're watching my videos. Subscribe so I know. Bye y'all. Here I am.
Yeah, you are. Living your best life, doing your braids.
Honestly, because I like have been doing my own hair for a while, as you can imagine. And it is in the way that like my bowl of oatmeal is a happy place and getting under the covers under a warm blanket is a happy place. Sitting in front of the mirror, braiding my hair is a happy place for me. Like, it's like, I don't knit, but like, it's like, you know what it is? It's like a puzzle for me. It's like my version of a puzzle. So it's using your hands, you're thinking, but you can talk to someone on the phone. You know, you can do other things while you're doing it. It's so satisfying. And then you have it to look at, you walking around, and people giving you compliments. They're like, good job, oh, it looks so pretty. I'm like, thanks. It's great. You can take photos of it, put it on the internet, and people will like it long after it's gone. It's crazy. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Yeah, it's fun to create things and to use your hands. And it's fun to just, like, I'm always doing something fun while I do my hair. So I'm listening music I love, I'm talking to a friend, normally I don't talk to a friend because it's a very long process. So you're the only friend who's actually been here with me as I've braided my hair. But maybe I'm like marathoning a TV show I love, listening to a series of podcasts. Like, I'm always getting something out of it. It's kind of like taking myself on a date a little bit, where I'm like, all right girl, we're gonna go, you're gonna look cute, we're gonna learn something, you know, it's nice. Maybe this is what I should talk about in my video, because I'm trying to figure out what I should say. Oh, it is still recording, so I guess I did just talk about it. Okay, I'm gonna stop now.